My name is Aaron, and I'm one of the co-founders of Blossom. Let's get you started. Why don't you head on over to the upload button, select add video, or even add a piece of user research you just finished doing. It's that simple. And now go ahead and add it to Blossom, and now you're just a couple clicks away from sharing those video snippets with your team. Okay, great. You just finished adding a recording inside of Blossom, and now you want to share and collaborate with a team member. We made it really easy. Click on the recording, hit the share button at the top, type in the email, and hit send. And that's it. Your team member will now get an invitation to join this recording, but don't forget, you're still the owner of the recording. When it works, it's amazing. It's like magic. You just finished doing a series of user interviews, and the last thing you want to do is have to rewatch them just to transcribe the whole recording. So we made it really easy. Go inside the recording, hit the begin button, and wait a couple minutes, and your transcription will be generated. Now go ahead and find a moment you want to play back.
My favorite quote about building software is, "Weeks of coding can save hours of planning."
One of the cool things about having a generated transcript is the ability to export it. Export it as a CSV and upload it to your favorite programs like Miro. Okay, so you just finished conducting 10 user interviews and you transcribed them all. Amazing. But now let's have some fun together. What if there's a way where you can select words from the transcript and create video snippets from it? Well, you can in Blossom. Now go ahead and highlight the words that you want to create a video snippet from. Play it back.
Counterintuitively, the easier something is to build, the more important it is to have the discipline.
Go ahead and refine it. And then play it back one last time.
Know whether you should even build it at all.
And when you're happy, go ahead and write a note about what you just discovered. So then later on, it's easy to figure out what this clip's about without actually having to play it back. Click the create button, and Blossom will take care of the rest. Okay, so I saved the best for last. Find a video snippet you want to share with a team member, generate a shareable link, and paste it in a browser.
It's just too easy to start building stuff.
Now, I want to point out two things. That note that you wrote down earlier, it's there, along with the ability to play inline. Now let's head on over to Slack and share with a team member. Or paste in the iMessage. Or drag and drop from our Blossom app within Miro.
It's just too easy to start building stuff.
And let's not forget Coda.
Counterintuitively, the easier something is to build.
And many others, such as Jira, with more coming soon. So there might be times when transcription doesn't make sense to create video snippets from a recording. So we got you covered with that too. Select the scissors icon, drag it in and out point, review.
Counterintuitively, the easier something is to build, the more important it is to have the discipline to really just do that user research.
Adjust if needed.
Even build it at all.
Or go ahead and use your granular tools to make those fine adjustments.
To build, the more important it is to have the discipline.
Now go ahead and leave a note, so then if you ever need to look at this clip again, you know exactly what it's about. And then hit create and let Blossom take care of the rest. And that's it.